Welcome to Otis Place. My name is Otabi. If you're new to the channel, hello, welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. So today we are going to be talking essential oils. I said it in a previous video that I was going to share the essential oils I use very often. Today is that day where I share the essential oils I use. Now before we start, what are essential oils? Essential oils are liquid extracts from plants. They can either be extracted from the roots, from the leaves, or from the flowers, but not just from any plant. The plants that they are extracted from have to have benefits to man. You cannot just extract liquids from any plant and call it an essential oil. They have to be from a plant that is beneficial to man. Before I go into my favorite essential oils, I'd like to just point out a few things. Essential oils are highly concentrated, so they shouldn't just be used on their own. They should always be diluted in a carrier oil like coconut oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, any oil of your choice. They should always be diluted. And the second thing I want to point out is that essential oils should not be, when you want to use them, don't just use them directly on your skin like that. And even after diluting them, you should always do a patch test. Just take a little area and try it and wait for a while. If you don't react to it, then you go ahead and use it. It is very dangerous to just carry an essential oil and use like that. Even if you've been using essential oils for a while, when you're trying out a new one, always do a patch test, guys. This is very important. With that out of the way, I'd like to tell you my favorite essential oils. Number one is Lavender Essential Oil. Guys, lavender is so soothing. When I smell it, it's very nice. But for hair growth, which is what we are concentrating on today, it helps speed up hair growth. Lavender oil has the ability to bring out the best in the oil you're using. If you're using maybe coconut oil, it has a way of enhancing the properties. It is very good for hair growth. It's also good in soothing the scalp. It has antimicrobial properties to help fight infections on your scalp, to keep a clean scalp. It also helps in stimulating hair growth. Lavender essential oil increases circulation to the hair follicle, resulting in strong, healthy hair. So if you're looking for strong, healthy hair, lavender essential oil is one of the essential oils you should try. It will help control dandruff. So if you're having dandruff issues, lavender essential oil is one of the essential oils you should also use. It will help keep your scalp clean, like I said earlier, because it gets rid of any infection on your scalp. The next essential oil is Rosemary Essential Oil. Now, Rosemary Essential Oil is one of my favorite essential oils. In fact, I think all the essential oils on this list are my favorites. Rosemary Essential Oil improves hair thickness and promotes hair growth by stimulating your scalp. Rosemary Essential Oil improves the thickness of your hair, the growth of your hair, by stimulating your scalp. It also helps to relieve dry, itchy scalp. It helps in fighting dandruff too. Rosemary Essential Oil is said to prevent dandruff and also prevent premature aging. For those who are having premature gray hair, Rosemary Essential Oil will help to reduce that. It has anti-inflammatory properties. Guys, a healthy scalp promotes healthy hair growth. So you want to make sure your scalp is clean. If you have inflammation issues, Rosemary Essential Oil is one of the oils you should use for your scalp. The next oil on my list is Peppermint Essential Oil. Now, I love the smell of peppermint. I am in love with the smell of peppermint. So I really like this essential oil. This essential oil has the kind of tingling sensation on your scalp when you apply it. That tingling sensation helps to increase blood flow to your scalp, and this will help promote growth. It also helps in fighting infection on your scalp. Peppermint essential oil also has antimicrobial properties. It will help keep Peppermint essential oil also helps clear your scalp. It has antimicrobial properties, so it will take care of your scalp issues. It helps combat hair loss. It helps promote hair growth. It also helps in keeping your hair follicles healthy. Once your hair follicles are healthy, you're less likely going to suffer hair loss. It is something I recommend to you. If you have to pick one essential oil for hair growth, for a healthy scalp, I would say you should go with peppermint. Maybe I'm being partial because I love the smell. Who knows? So how you use it is that you put it, you can add it to your shampoo, you can add it to your conditioner, you can add it to your carrier oil and apply it to your scalp. I have a video where I make my hair growth oil and I used most of these essential oils there. So if you've not watched that video, you should watch the video. The next on my list is tea tree essential oil. Tea tree essential oil has antimicrobial properties too. It helps to unclog your pores. When your pores are clogged, your hair is not going to grow properly. So tea tree essential oil helps to unclog your pores. It also helps to combat dandruff, dry itchy scalp. It helps to stimulate hair growth. Tea tree essential oil is, I think it's one of the essential oils that is in a lot of hair products like shampoos, like conditioners. You'll find that they have tea tree essential oil a lot in there. It helps combat dandruff. It helps to thicken your hair, keeping it strong, keeping your scalp strong. So guys, don't sleep on tea tree essential oil. The last essential oil on my list is clove essential oil. Clove is a natural remedy for hair loss. It helps to promote hair growth. It gets rid of dandruff. It combats dry, itchy scalp. It prevents premature aging. It's, in fact, clove is it's an all-rounder. It also helps. It improves circulation to your scalp. Once there's proper circulation, oxygen, proper nutrients will reach your hair follicles and promote hair growth. If you're fighting premature graying, clove essential oil is one you should use also. If you're tackling hair loss, clove essential oil is something you should consider using. Now we've come to the end of my list. These are my essential oils that I use quite often on my hair. There are many essential oils out there. What I'll advise you is that you should do your research before trying them, and don't forget to do a patch test, guys. That is very, very important. I'll be using essential oils. Which essential oils do you use? Which are your favorite? I've given you 5 of my own essential oils that I use. I still use other essential oils. In other videos, I'll get to show you how I use them. Guys, if you've not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. When you subscribe, click on the notification bell, select the all option so that whenever new videos are posted, you'll be one of the first to get them. And please guys, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.